Hello everyone, I am Likita. My topic is boundary following in feature extraction. Introduction. In this presentation, we will explore optimizing feature extraction through boundary following techniques. This method enhances the ability to identify and utilize significant features in data, improving overall performance in various applications. We will discuss their importance, methodologies, and practical implementations. Boundary following in feature extraction is the technique used in image processing and computer vision to identify and trace the edges or boundaries of objects in an image. It plays a crucial role in feature extraction, particularly for applications such as objects detection, shape analysis, and image segmentation. Here a breakdown of the concept. Some concepts are there in key components. First one, boundary detection. Boundary detections are the first step involves detection edges or boundaries using edge detection algorithms like Sobel, Canal or Privet's Grammars-based method in identify the rapid intensity changes threshold to separated object from the background, the detection edges from the foundations of boundary following. Boundary following algorithm. This algorithm traces the contrast of detection edges to extract the complete boundary of an object. Common approaches include example chain codes, encoded boundary in terms of related direction. Example Freeman chain code fulfill recursively or iterative traces connected edge pixel active contrast and energy minimum technique finds are crucial to object boundaries. Region growing expands region starting from seeds points to following connect boundaries. Feature extraction found boundaries, shape description, parameters, curvatures and compresses, geometric features, area, central, oriented and bounding box. Next one, understanding feature extraction. Feature extraction is the crucial step in data processing, transforming raw data into a format suitable for analyzing. This process help in reducing dimensionally while preserving essential information. Effective feature extraction can significantly improve the performance of machine learning models. The machine learning models step in boundary following, pre-processing, smoothing the image to reduce noise while preserving edges. Edge detection use the method example Canny to detect the potential object boundaries. Boundary tracing start from the seed points on the boundary and follow connected pixels. Feature extraction relevant features for analyzing or classification. Next one, applications of the feature extraction. Some, for example, application will be needed medical image, object recognition, robotics, document analysis. Medical imaging is informations are extracting boundaries of organs or tumors. Object recognize identify object shapes in image. Robotics, path planning and navigations. Document analysis, extracting text or diagram counters. Would you like to specify algorithms or many techniques are used in the understanding the feature extraction? Boundary following technique. Boundary following technique involves the tracing to edge or contrast of object within a data set. This technique can be applied to various forms of data, including images and signals, allowing or better identifications of features that are critical for analysis. These pictures are the shows the some boundary following technique you are fighting many peoples to your examples of boundary in armies peoples are using to the boundary following technologies. Importance of optimization. Optimizing feature extraction is vital for enhancing model accuracy and efficiency. By employing boundary following in a type of, we can minimize noise and focus on relevant features, leading to more robust models and improved decision-making capabilities in data analysis. Boundary following in feature extraction is the technique used in computer vision and image processing to identify and trace the edge or contrast of object in an image. This method focuses on analyzing the shape and structure of object based on their boundaries. Boundary following is a crucial in feature extraction as it empathizes the technique and analyzing edge or contrast which are significant features for object recognized classification and segmentation. This approach uses algorithms to trace the outline of object helping is isolated and understanding the geometric properties of the feature in an image. It is often applied in pre-processing steps is tasks like medical imaging, facial recognition and autonomous driving. Next one, edge detection technique. Edge detection technique such as the Canny and Sobel operators. Some example, Canny is used of the edge detection. Sobel it is also different type of edge detection we will use in operators. Are fundamental in identify boundaries. Fundamental in identifying boundaries is the Canny and Sobels are only boundary of the fundamental edge detection. The methods one of the highlighting methods. Highlighting the steps of significant challenges in a intensity, allowing for the extractions of important features from images and other data types. Many data types have used the extraction importance of the image processing. Next one, this is some advantage of the accurate object localization. Boundary following provides precious information about the location and shape of object in an image. Effect represented it reduces the dimensionality of the image data by focusing on essential structure details, making it computationally efficient. Scalability. Boundary-based method can handle images of various resolution with significant loss of details. As the detection simplicity, boundary following provides precious information about the boundary-based methods can handle images of various resolution without significant loss of details on standard edge detection algorithm like Sobel, Can or Privet, making this image to implement shape analysis. This method are practically useful for analyzing geometric properties such as perimeters, area, curvatures. Next one, contrast tracing methods. Contrast tracing methods like machine squares and chain code are effective in outlines the shapes of objects. This technique provide a way to represent a boundary in a simplified manner, which is benefit for feature extraction tasks. Some disadvantage of the sensitive to noise. Small challenges in image quality or noise can significantly impact boundary detection accuracy. Complex shapes for object with inaccurate or overlapping boundaries, the process can be challenges. Computational overhead, while efficiency for simple shapes tracing boundary in complex images with numerous features can become resources intensity. Dependence on pre-processing required effective pre-processing steps like diagnostic and thresholding for optical results, limited textual information, boundary following focus on edge and may neglected important textuals or interactive details of object. Continuous tracing methods are used in the affected of outlines the shapes of object. This technique provides a way to represent the boundary in simpler and easier manner, which is benefit for feature extractions task. Some feature extraction constant tracing to this method can be used in the boundary extraction. Next one, methodologies overview. Different methodologies can improving for boundary following include edge detection, count tracing, and region grouping. Each method has its advantage and is suitable for specific types of data, making it essential to choose the right approach for optimal result. Some example of the boundary detection: medical imaging directed the boundaries of organs or tumors in CT scans or MRI images. Example: segmentation of a liver if an obvious scan. Autonomous vehicles identify road lanes or the contrast of nearby objects to avoid clashes. Example: lane detection in self-driving car. Self-driving car is one of the boundary extraction process. Facial recognition, extraction phasing, contrast from biometric, automatical or emotion detection. Example: detection the boundary of the eyes, nose, and mouth. Object detection in robotics. Robotics in AI tools we have used the determine the shapes and positions of the object for manipulation tasks, tracing the edges of the part of the it up the robotic arms. Agriculture application identify the plant of leaf boundaries for grouping analysis or pest detection, tracing leaf outline to determine the health metrics. Next one, region growing technique. Region growing technique start with seed points and expand to include neighboring pixel based on predefined criteria. This method is particularly useful for segmenting recognize of interesting in complex datasets, enhancing feature extraction capabilities of the feature extraction region growing using the some forest. Even we have increased the road. This is difficult way to develop. We have considered the example of the region growing technique use. Boundary following of the fundamental technique in computer vision imaging processing provides critical insights as numerical applications, albeit with some challenges in robotic preprocessing algorithm designs. Application in machine learning. Application of the machine learning is the some type of boundary following, edge detection, counter detection, boundary tracing, identify the points in an image where that identified challenge significance indicated and edge boundaries, counter detection, extract the outline or counter of an object in an image, boundary tracing follows the boundary of an object in an image. A single extraction is a shape or features. Boundary following technique. Some technique or application in machine learning optimize the feature extraction using boundary following technique is crucial in machine learning application such as image recognition, object detection, and medical imaging. This technique help in creating more accurate models by focusing on relevant features. Boundary following technique or some four technique are used: thresholding, gradient operator, active contrast models. Applied a threshold to an image to separate objects from the background. Uses operators like Sobel, Privet, or Canner to detect the edges is an image. Active contrast models uses energy minimization technique to evolve a contrast toward the desired boundary. Level set models represented the boundary has a level set of higher dimensional function and eval it is extracts the boundary. Application of boundary following. Image segmentation boundary following helps the separate object of the boundary can be used in the feature or object recognition. Following helps separated object from the background of their object in an image. Boundary of the organizers or theorems. Computer vision boundary following is used for various computer vision tasks such as object detection, tracing, and sense understanding. Challenges in boundary following. Challenges and limitation. Despite their advantage, boundary following technique face challenges such as noise, sensitivity, computational complex, and need of parameters tuning. Addressing this issue is essential for improving efficiency of feature extraction process. Challenges of boundary processor, noise and